Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about how to get fast results in your SMMA agency. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are involved with SMMA. Perhaps you're looking to start in SMMA. Perhaps you're struggling, you don't have clients. I'm going to show you guys some simple strategies, okay, to help you guys get fast results, okay, in SMMA. Now, when I took off and hit 100,000 miles my first year in SMMA, ladies and gentlemen, one of the things that I focused on was my mindset and my activity. Write those two things down. Your mindset and your activity will determine how fast or how slow you achieve success in your SMMA agency. Okay, so folks, let's look at this way. Most of you guys are moving like a turtle when it comes to SMMA. You're taking your sweet time when it comes to purchasing courses and getting a coach and, picking up the phone, making the cold calls and sharpening your skills up. You're allowing that process, okay, to take days, weeks, months, or years. And if you do that, okay, that's going to hinder how fast or how slow you get results. Now, if you want to make $10,000 in the next 30 to 60 days, you got to pick that phone up and you got to get with it. You know what I mean? It's like if you work for a 9 to 5 job and they say, hey, we got overtime and you want to get that time and a half or whatever the case may be, you got to put in more hours. They don't give you more money just because you put in 8, but if you put in, 13 hours or 14 hours, then you can get more money. And it's the same thing in your SMMA agency. If you want fast results, okay, you got to take massive action. Okay, and I'm talking imperfect action because let me just tell you guys, most of you guys are new. Most of you guys have never signed up an SMMA client. So you're gonna bump your head along the way and you're gonna suck at this thing, okay? And don't try to wait until you figure everything out before you take action in SMMA. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started SMMA, I didn't have a website, I didn't have a business card, I didn't know how to get clients results, but yet I went and met with business owners and came back home with checks, credit cards, and authorization forms, and I charged and I figured it out along the way, okay? Leap and then grow your wings. Leap and then grow your wings, okay? A lot of you guys want to grow your wings and then leap. It doesn't work that way, okay? Folks, you have to take massive imperfect action, okay? Now, if you want to get results slow, then you guys don't even need to watch this video because I want to show you how to get results fast, okay? And the way you get results fast, ladies and gentlemen, is you got to take massive imperfect action, okay? The next thing, you got to get better at the game. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want results, okay, if you want more clients, you want to make $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. I'm on my way to making $50,000 a month. Okay, you guys want coaching, you want help, you want to know how I'm going to take myself from making $20,000 to $30,000 a month to $50,000 a month. Click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for one-on-one coaching, or you can sign up for the ICP training course where it took me literally 7 days to get 3 clients. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you got to get better at the game. This is something that's holding 98% of you guys back, is you won't invest to get better at the game. Notice that professionals practice 3-4 times a week. Football players, basketball players, golfers, fishers, you name it. These individuals, tennis players, golfers, you name it, ladies and gentlemen, they're getting better at their craft. And if you want to make $100,000 a year in SMMA, ladies and gentlemen, it boils down to your skills. You got to get better. When you get better, your money gets better. Write that down. When you get better, ladies and gentlemen, your money gets better. And the reason why your money hasn't gotten better is because you haven't gotten better. Oh man, and it's so funny that so many people think that success in SMMA just happens. No, ladies and gentlemen, you have to put in time, energy, and money to make this thing go. Okay? You got to get better at the game. Write that down. You got to get better at the game. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I never forget years ago when I used to play the PlayStation and Xbox and all that type of stuff. And I used to play my little nephews and cousins and stuff like that. And I used to lose. We would play, Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, all the latest games and whatnot, the football, NBA 2K, and all that type of stuff. And I noticed that I used to get beat. They used to beat me at the game. So I wisened up when we wasn't playing each other while they were out doing other stuff. I was in there, guess what? Practicing. I was getting better at the game. And I was thinking to myself, okay, let me learn how to do this move. Okay, this is how you do this. Okay, this is how you steal the ball. So I would practice and get good at it for hours. And then, oh, lo and behold, my cousin came in. He's like, yeah, I beat you last time. I'm going to beat you this time. But he didn't know I had got better at the game. So we played the game. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I came out victorious. Why did I come out victorious? Because I had gotten better at the game. And if you want 5 clients, 6 clients, you want to make $10,000, $20,000 a month, you have to get better at the game. And a lot of you guys say, Maurice, how do I practice and get better at the game? Ladies and gentlemen, you got to invest in yourself. You got to get the courses that are going to help you improve your prospecting skills, improve your communication skills, improve your result skills as far as hiring outsourcers or perhaps setting up Facebook and Google ads yourself. You got to get better at the game. There's 2 things you need to know about having success in SMMA. You got to know how to get clients and you got to know how to get them the results. Those are the 2 skills you have to craft in this game called SMMA. You got to know how to get clients and you got to know how to get them results. If you can figure those 2 things out, ladies and gentlemen, success is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a powerful one. Your mindset and the words you speak are going to determine how fast you get results. I hear so many people commenting and saying things that you cannot say if you're going to be successful. Like, I can't get clients. I can't afford courses. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to think lose before you even start the game, ladies and gentlemen, you may as well not even play the game. If you guys are going to think, okay, losing before you even start the game, why even play the game? Ladies and gentlemen, you have to have a winner's mentality, okay? And winners, this is how winners think. This is how I think. Before I get on the phone, a prospect, I already know I'm coming out on top. I already know I'm gonna pull 2 or 3 new appointments. I already know because of my mindset. I already know that I can afford anything. I can afford any course, any item, any materialistic item. Why? Because my mindset. And if I don't have it, okay, in my bank account, or if I can't get access to it, I'm going to figure it out and figure out a way to get it. Why? Because I have a winner's mindset. A lot of you guys, 98% of the people have a loser's mindset. They think lose before they even start SMMA. They already think, oh man, I can't get a client result. Oh, I can't afford that course, Maurice or whoever is selling it. I can't do it. And if you think that, if you say that, then that's going to be your reality. If your reality is you're going to make $10,000 a month, you're going to make $10,000 a month. If your reality is you're not going to make nothing a month, you're going to make nothing a month. Ladies and gentlemen, you can't go as high as you're thinking. If your thinking is at 20 bucks, you're going to be at 20 bucks. If your thinking is 100,000, you're going to move to 100,000. It may not be today, but eventually you'll get to 100,000. Why? Because what goes on in the inside manifests itself on the outside. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get fast results in your SMMA business, you got to think it and you got to speak it. You guys got to speak success if you want success. You can't speak that you're going to lose lose, okay, and you want to win. You have to believe you're going to win, and you have to say you're going to win. And when your words and your actions line up, ladies and gentlemen, that's when you'll get fast results in SMMA. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. If you guys got value from this training, comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber of this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys need help building your agency, getting clients, you guys can click the link in the description. Check out the ICP course. We just released it. Powerful course. People are already signing up clients within their first 7 days. You guys can check out the testimonials as well. Phenomenal course. I was able to get 3 clients in 7 days. Powerful. Price very low to help you guys during this pandemic. So make sure you guys check that out. And if you need help, you've been struggling in SMMA a long time, you guys can apply for one-on-one coaching where I can show you how to make $10,000 a month, give you the blueprint, hold your hand, walk with you one-on-one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.